Hello, this is Sharline. How to find out if the suppliers are real factories? Number 1. Check the background of the factory. I usually use qcc.com. Tap the name of the factory. It will list all the registration information and the details of the company. Number 2. How long has it been established? Then you will know the history and experience of the factory. Number 3. How many workers are there? Then you will know whether the factory is big or small or mid-scale. Number 4. Ask the videos of the factory, not official ones, but ask the salesperson to make new videos for you. By knowing about these 4 points, you will have an overall understanding of the factory. Add this video to your favorites and follow Sharline, your business partner in China.